I'm still fresh, I'm still young. Why settle for ordinary guys? Exactly, I want a rich guy too. Life's short.
Girls, don't get it twisted. Love is more than wealth. Choose wisely. One day you regret chasing only money.
Gazy, we got this.
Zara, I really want to build a life with you.
Thanks, but I want someone with a bigger lifestyle. I'm still young.
Zara, I think we'd make a great life together.
Sorry, I want someone with more money and status.
Exactly, why settle now?
Girls, trust me, don't ignore good men for showy ones. Holy sister, speak for yourself, abeg.
Finally someone rich. Maybe now I'll be happy.
You look amazing. Drinks are on me.
This is what we needed.
I love this soft life, man. The soft life is the best life.
I will love and cherish you till death do us apart.
And me too, my love.
Wow, she's married already. I guess she followed your advice on love, huh? I thought I'd be happier chasing rich men, but I thought wealth would make me happy. Now I'm alone, with a child, struggling. We were chasing glitter and lost real love. We ignored what Yagazi said. I was still fresh, still young, but I ignored what mattered. My friend chose wisely, I chose glitter. And this is my lesson. Love, patience, and character outshine wealth every time. I'm now a single mother after all the warning by Yagazi.
Have you been seeing those viral videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, and you wondered how creators make them so engaging? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to transform ordinary AI output into stories that capture attention, stir emotion, and keep your audience glued to the screen. This is how I got a perfect prompt. All right, the perfect prompt which I dropped in ChatGPT. Okay, I created my personal AI agent. I did a tutorial on my channel. You will see the tutorial in the description link. Okay, you can watch the tutorial and learn how to create your own personal agent. Whatever prompt you want to drop, whatever prompt you need, okay, for your content, just drop it there. In this, your personal AI agent is going to generate the prompt for you automatically. Okay, now I've already generated my AI agent and the tutorial is in my link, this video link. Okay, go and watch it there. Now, what I did here is I pasted this prompt. I told it help me with a right prompt for this storytelling package titled "She Rejected All Men That Came to Marry Her and This Happened." Okay, the story should take place in modern day Lagos, Nigeria with Gen Z lifestyle vibes. Make the story emotional, dramatic, suspenseful, and engaging with unexpected twist. You should have character images, scene by scene description, and dialogue. Now, this is what my personal AI generated for me. So this is it. It says master prompt, storytelling package. She rejected all men that came to marry her, and this happened. Now, this is it. It now wrote the prompt for me. Create a compelling and emotional and suspenseful story set in modern day Lagos, Nigeria, focusing on a woman who rejects multiple marriage proposal. The story should reflect Gen Z lifestyle vibes, include dramatic twists, and be engaging for narration, animation, or social media storytelling. Now, I went ahead and I copied all this from the prompt is numerous. Can you see? Now, I copied all the prompts and I went over here. Now, I copied all the prompts. I went over here, my ChatGPT, and I pasted the prompts. Now, it went ahead to write all this for me. Character introduction. These are the characters, Zara, Seyi, and the men. And the men, yes. Now, this is the scene-by-scene story script. It gave me, this is scene 1, and it included the dialogue. Can you see? It's included the dialogue and the scene. The characters' images, the dialogue, and the scene. So why don't you go and watch that tutorial on how to create your AI personal agent that helps you with prompting. Okay, now this is it. Now this is the breakdown of what it generated for me. This is the breakdown with the dialogue, the images, the scene by scene description. Can you see that? This is it. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you this as well. Whatever thing you are generating, please make sure you add the image description, the scene by scene description, the dialogues is very important. Now after this, what I'm going to do is to copy all this prompt. I'm going to copy it. Now I've pasted it in my notepad. What I'm going to do next is to generate my images. Okay, now these are my characters. These are my characters. Okay, Zara, C, and Yagaze. Right, not copy my prompt. I'm gonna copy it. This is the prompt for Zara. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to generate our images. You're going to go to your browser and type Whisk. Go to your browser and type Whisk AI. Okay. All right. Now, this is Whisk. All right. Now, I'm going to set my aspect ratio. So you set your aspect ratio. You know that this story is mostly beautiful when you are using portrait. Okay. You can as well use 16:9. Okay, so let's use 16:9. I'm going to paste my prompts here. 16:9 is basically for YouTube long videos. Right, I am done generating my characters images. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to generate their scene by scene images. Okay, now this is scene 1. This is Zara's apartment, and you're going to check in each scene. You're going to check the character that is involved in the scene. All right, you're going to study your characters' names and check the one that are in each scene. Now, they mention Zara and Seyi here. All right, then and Yagaze. So I'm going to copy this scene. I'm going to copy the scene. Now, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy it. Then let's go to Whisk. Now, this is Whisk. I'm going to paste this prompt. I'm going to paste the prompts. Now, you see this, when you scroll up, you're going to see this icon. Select the icon. Then it's going to bring you down. See, move up again. Can you see that? So you see here, I'm going to maximize it so that you're seeing what I'm talking about. Now, I'm going to select this plus icon. Select the plus icon. Select icon and select upload image. You're going to upload all the images that are listed here. Okay. I'm going to upload it. This is the images that are involved in this scene. Okay. Now I'm going to select add. So instead of wasting your time selecting all of them one by one, it's better you select all of them at once. Okay. So we're going to wait until it's done loading. Okay. I have included her. Now this is my prompt. The next thing, since I've dropped my prompt, the next thing I'm going to do is to hit generate. Remember, you have to check the prompt and the characters involved before uploading. Okay. Okay. Now this is Yagaze on Zoom, just like it was stated in the whatever. Now this is Zara and Seyi. So the image is beautiful. So can you see that? All right. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this icon, this right side icon, select download. Okay. Just click on it and select download. Now you're going to go to second scene. Scene 2. Okay. When you go to scene 2, now this is scene 2, rooftop curve, afternoon settings, trendy roof curve. Zara meets a responsible suitor. Okay. She met a suitor who wants to marry her. Remember, the major character here is Zara. Okay. All right. Now, what I'm going to do here is to move over here and highlight this prompt. I'm going to highlight it. I'll copy all of them. Highlight all and paste. Now, you're going to deselect the characters. Most of the characters that are not needed here. It's only Zara that is here. So, you're going to select Zara and select the suitor, which is this young, promising man. Okay. Now, I'm going to hit generate. Our image is ready, so I'm going to zoom it so that you see it clearly. This is the young man. All right, this is the two of them. So I think I love this one. It's giving that consistency. I think I love this one. They are very much close. Now for scene 3. Now this is scene 3. So the setting is Lagos Market, Zara and Seyi walk past Yagaze, yeah. Okay. All right, I think I'll download this one as well. Since now I'm going to check the character that are involved. Yagaze is involved. The same with Seyi. So I'm going to select See and Yagaze, the same with Zara, and hit generate. So you're going to use this same process to generate all your images. Just select the characters, the major characters, select your scene by scene, press it here and generate. It is very easy. It is very easy. Okay, now the next thing to do is to make your characters to talk. We're going to add dialogues. All right, so the first thing to do is to select your scene. This is scene 1. I'm going to select scene 1. Then you describe the apartment of Zara and her friend. Her friends came to visit her, and one was on a Zoom call. So I'm going to copy this first prompt and the dialogue. Okay, so I'm not going to copy all the dialogue, so that's I'm going to copy some of the dialogue. So I'm going to copy it. Then I'll move over to Grok AI. You can download this from Play Store, or you can use your browser and type grok.com. Now move to, if yours is at this icon that says ask, just move to Imagen, select this plus icon and select animate photo. Now I'm going to select the image that I want and select this add. Then when you select it, you're going to paste your prompt here. When you hit generate. Okay, now I'm going to play it. Let's see the results. Okay,
I'm still fresh, I'm still young. Why settle for ordinary guys? Exactly, I want a rich guy too. Life short.
Okay, now this is Zara versus Sei, and Yagazie wasn't talking. She was on a Zoom call, remember? So I'm going to drop the prompt where she was talking. Okay, so after generating this particular one, you have to select this icon, select it and download it. Okay, it's going to be downloaded directly to your gallery. Okay, now let's move over to the next prompt where Yagazie was talking. All right, now what I'm going to do is to adjust this scene. Okay, just this prompt. All right, I'm going to adjust this dialogue. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to hit generate. All right, now this is the
Girls, don't get it twisted. Love is more than wealth. Choose wisely. One day you regret chasing only money. Chill, Yagazie. We got this.
Okay, now the next thing to do is to select here. You select this icon and download.
Girls, don't get it twisted.
All right, let's move over to the next scene. Now this is scene 2. Okay. Okay, you're moving over here. I'm going to cancel this. Then I'm going to select this plus icon and select animate photo. They're going to upload another photo. Okay, because this is scene 2 and this involves different characters. Okay. Now this is Zara and one of the suitors that want to marry her. Okay. Now after typing the prompt, you have to hit generate. Okay, it's generating. So I'm done with this one. I'm gonna play it. Let's see how they flow. Okay, in their conversation. So let's play it.
Zara, I really want to build a life with you.
Thanks, but I want someone with a bigger lifestyle. I'm still young.
Okay, I'm gonna click here and download. It's downloaded. Now let's go to another prompt. Okay, I'm gonna copy this next scene. This is scene 3. Okay, and I'll move over here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to change this image. Remember, it's scene 3. Now it's different scene. Okay, on different settings. I'm going to still select this plus icon and select animate photo. Now this is when he proposed to her. Okay, I'm gonna press the prompt. Now the next thing is to hit generate. This is very simple. All you need to do is to select each scene, the description of the scene and the dialogue along. Then if you move over here to Grok AI, you upload your image and you press your prompt, it's going to generate it. Your character is going to talk. So this is very simple.
Zara, I think we'd make a great life together.
Sorry, I want someone with more money and status. Exactly, why settle now?
Okay, I'm going to download it. You're going to use the same process to generate all your clips. Use the same process to generate all your clips. Upload your image, press your prompt and add your dialogue. Okay, I offer the AI movie mastery class. See the description below for full access, where you will learn step by step how to generate stories that are ready for animation or video production. See you in the next one. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when I drop the next video. Bye.